Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner Channel. I was so excited to find this huge Kelly Creates kit when I was shopping in my local Joann store recently, and my store specifically is closing down and moving to a new location, so they have so many things on super sale, including this kit. I went looking online to see if I could find it, and I think it was a Black Friday special from last season. So if you like this kit, look in your Joann store and see if they have any of those giant kits. Otherwise, I'm gonna link down below whatever I can find on Amazon from Kelly Creates in these big special kits. I'm so excited to share this kit because I have been wanting to learn brush lettering for so long, and I finally got this kit. And it has everything you could possibly need to learn brush lettering. There's a couple of books, notepads, 3 different kinds of pens, everything. So let's see if we can get this open. This kit is huge. Okay. All right, let's start with the small things and then we'll look at the books. So there's these little note cards. Oh, it says like happy birthday and thinking of you. Note cards, a silver ink pad. Oh, it says light gray ink pad, but it looks like silver. Some clear stamps, letters, script letters, and some clear stamps that are words. 2 Learn Brush Lettering books. This one is for large brush tip pens, and this one is for small brush tip pens. And I think it comes with both kind of pens in the kit. But if not, I had already purchased one of each of those, so I'm pretty sure it's in this kit though. Write on grid paper. So this is for practicing on grid paper. And make your mark blank paper for practicing. All right, here's some of the pens. What are these? Kelly Creates Jewel Brush in silver. So a silver brush pen. I assume this is a gold brush pen. Like markers, and then 3 others: fine brush, medium brush, and large brush. Okay, so there's your different sizes to try out in black. And then since we're on pens, let's grab the others. So these are dual tip dream pens, dual tip. Oh, I see. So it shows kind of like what this tip is and what that tip is. Well, it doesn't say which end is which, but maybe the back of the box does. So there is yellow, green, blue, black. This is like, I guess this is red. It's kind of reddish pink on the cover, but I assume the actual ink is red. Then we've got a teal, purple, and pink. Then there's another set of pens, and these are small brush tip in blue. Let's see, make sure they're all the same. Yeah, these are all small brush tips. So blue, pink, yellow, green, like a magenta, orchid, blue, regular blue, green, black, and gray. Oh, I like that these have the names of the colors, because sometimes you don't know if you're looking to replace it and you like this color. This color is actually called sage. Next up, there's some cardstock. It looks, let's open it. It says cardstock for your final lettering project. So I guess after you get good and you're ready to write permanently on some cardstock, it comes with some, I just want to see if it's different colors. Okay, so it's white. What is that? The cover. Oh, and black. So there's some black and some white cards. Oh, and some craft. So black, white, and craft cardstock. And I assume this is paper. Just a few sheets. This feels like it might be cardstock too. But it's in a separate package, so it must be something different. Let's see. Oh, okay. So these are like some, I guess, frameable art. There's 4 pages, and it is kind of like a thick paper. I wouldn't say all the way to a lightweight cardstock. I guess you could trace this in a color, or I don't know. The last thing in the kit is this. I assume this is some kind of storage bag. Oh, it's a tote. It's a little fold-up tote bag. Why is it crunchy? It has a liner to it. So it has like a nylon liner on the inside, make it a little more sturdy. And it says, create calm. Oh, that's what I need. I need some calm. So that's perfect to store all this stuff. I'm glad, because I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I'm so excited to get into this kit. I can't wait. And because I have been wanting to be able to write my name in the front of all my planners, and I haven't been able to do it because I just don't have the skills. So I'm really looking forward to working with both of these books to learn brush lettering, and I will be filming it so you all can watch me learn and maybe try along with me. I hope it's not too bad, but I am an absolute beginner at brush lettering, so you're gonna have to bear with me, but it's gonna be so much fun and I can't wait. Subscribe to learn how to use your daily planner to get organized, stay focused on your goals, and create a powerful plan for your life. Click the link in the description to download your free Power Plan checklist. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, and hit that thumbs up button. See you in the next video.